How to find phone contacts on Instagram. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To find your contact, first and foremost, you have to ensure that you have enabled the sync contact on Instagram. To check for it, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged into your account, tap on your profile icon and tap on the three horizontal line. Then head to Account Center. From this options, scroll down, then select your information and permissions. Tap on Upload Contact. So you have to toggle on this contact which says Connect Contact, and it will help you to sync your phone contacts with the Instagram, letting you find the people in your contact easier. Now once you have toggled it on, let me show you where you can find your contacts. Tap on the home screen, then tap on the like icon. From here in this notification center, you will find all of the contacts that are in Instagram, and you can easily follow them and find them in Instagram using the sync contact option. For some reason, if you cannot, there might be a bug issue. In that case, exit from your application and open up your phone setting. Scroll down until you see apps and tap on it. Select all apps. From here, tap on the icon and search for Instagram. Or stop it and head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. This will help to solve with the bug issue. To check for an update, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. Tap on the application. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.